Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today Tricky is preparing deviled prawns. From the name itself, one can tell that it is a hot and spicy dish made with succulent prawns, but you can adjust the level of spice if needed to suit your taste. It is best served as a starter, but can also be served as a side dish with garlic fried rice or stir-fried noodles. So let's get straight to the ingredients. The ingredients for marination. The ingredients for the sauce, and finally the other ingredients. Method. For the preparation stage, clean, devein and wash the prawns. We're now moving to the marination stage, so add the prawns and the marination ingredients to a mixing bowl. That's the chili powder, turmeric powder, salt, plain flour and corn flour. Mix well and allow to marinate for at least 15 minutes. We're now moving on to the frying stage. So heat oil in a deep frying pan and drop in the marinated prawns. Fry. Do not overcook the prawns as it will turn chewy and rubbery. Then remove and drain on a kitchen towel. Repeat the process and fry the rest of the marinated prawns in batches, and again remove and drain on a kitchen towel. We're now going to prepare the sauce. So heat oil in the wok, add in the garlic, ginger and curry leaves. Toss. Now drop in the chopped green chilies and fry. Drop in the chopped onions. Fry until the onions turn light brown. Once the onions have turned light brown, drop in the capsicum and fry. Do not overcook the capsicum as it tastes good when crunchy. Cover and cook on medium to low heat for a couple of minutes, mixing in between. Then open and mix. Drop in the chili flakes, pepper powder, chili sauce, tomato ketchup, and finally the soya sauce. Mix. Drop in the balsamic vinegar, sugar and stock powder. Mix. Add a little water as required if it gets too dry, and give it a mix. Now the sauce is ready, so drop in the fried prawns and mix well. Add the green chilies, green coriander and squeeze a dash of lemon juice. Mix well. Cover and cook until done. And there you have it, hot and spicy deviled prawns. So serve as a starter or as a side dish with garlic fried rice or stir-fried noodles or any other accompaniment of your choice. So thank you for stopping by. Do hope you'll give this recipe a try. Have lots of fun in the process as you toy, and most of all, don't forget to enjoy. Tricky's Kitchen has lots of other seafood recipes that you would like to try out. So be sure to click on the video link on your screen right now and watch another video.